Hi kids, have you ever wondered, what do animals do when it rains? Well, get ready to find out. Let's go on a rainy adventure together. At the end of this video, there's a very special animal waiting for us. Can you guess what it is? Stick around to find out. When it starts to rain, some animals love to play in the water, like frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs jump around in puddles. Can you jump like a frog? Try it out. Next, let's talk about ducks. Ducks love the rain. They have special feathers that keep them dry, and their webbed feet are perfect for splashing in ponds. Quack, quack. Let's all waddle like a duck. But not all animals like to get wet. Take cats, for example. Most cats don't like rain at all. They stay nice and dry under trees or inside cozy little spaces. Do you think your cat would like to play in the rain? Now here's a cool fact about elephants. Did you know elephants use their big trunks to spray water on themselves during a rainstorm? Whoosh! Splash! Can you pretend to have a trunk and spray water around? It's so much fun! And what do birds do when it rains? You might see them fluffing their feathers to stay warm. Some birds even find shelter under leaves and branches. Tweet, tweet! Let's flap our wings like birds. Oh, and don't forget earthworms. When it rains, earthworms come out of the ground. They love wet soil and wiggle all around. Wiggle your fingers like a worm. Can you do it? All right, are you ready for the big surprise? The special animal we were talking about is the turtle. Turtles don't mind the rain at all. Their hard shells protect them just like an umbrella. Isn't that amazing? Now let's all pretend to be turtles. Hide under your shell. Peekaboo, rainy days are great for animals, aren't they? Frogs jump, ducks splash, cats stay cozy, and turtles stay safe. What's your favorite rainy day animal? Thank you for exploring with me. Don't forget to watch more fun videos with us. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today. Bye, kids.